We actually do magnetic resonance imaging for small animals, so mainly rodents, mice and rats, for scientists here at OMRF and at the University of Oklahoma Health Sciences Center. So I actually do research on primarily on glioblastoma, which is a grade 4 very aggressive glioma. And so we design MRI techniques to be able to characterize the tumor growth, as well as develop and characterize therapeutic agents that actually can treat this devastating tumor. We wanted to improve the OKN-007 in its treatment for glioblastomas. I had a hunch that this particular drug would actually be very effective if we actually combined it with the currently used chemotherapeutic agent temozolomide, or TMZ, also known as Temodar. That particular agent has a problem, and the reason why glioblastoma patients do not survive very well, which is only about 15 months once initially diagnosed, is because they become resistant to Temodar. When we actually combined OKN with 007 with TMZ, we found that it actually, what it did is it knocked down the TMZ resistant cells. We had some patients that ended up being very responsive to the drug. We actually have one patient that has actually been on the drug for more than 3 years and has had no tumor come back. OCAST is a very important resource here in Oklahoma. It actually gives scientists a head start to be able to actually get enough preliminary data or even help with commercialization. I think Oklahoma scientists are actually very fortunate to have OCAST help them with funding, and it certainly has helped me in my research career.
I'm Manu Nair. I am the Vice President for Technology Ventures for the Oklahoma Medical Research Foundation in Oklahoma City. Technology Ventures is actually a one-stop shop for all industry-related activities for the Oklahoma Medical Research Foundation, primarily geared towards taking novel technologies that are discovered by the scientists from bench to bedside. We are also trying to convert this drug from an intravenous administration to an oral pill, because a lot of these patients actually, if you are giving somebody an IV drug, that patient has to come to the hospital for IV administration. And a lot of these patients actually had surgery, resection, and they can't drive, so would like to see a drug converted to an oral pill that can actually be taken at home. I can confidently say that we are in the top 10% in the country, if not the top 5% in the country, for the number of drugs that have come out of that research to benefit patients.